World Environment Day, celebrated on 5th June every year, reminds us about our duty towards our environment and its importance in our life. Because there is only one Earth. That is why the theme of World Environment Day 2022 is also Only One Earth. Our Earth is the only planet known to have life, as it provides us all the conditions necessary for it. The whole surface of Earth is a series of connected ecosystems. For thousands of years, people have interacted with ecosystems. Many cultures developed around nearby ecosystems. However, as human population have grown, people have overtaken many ecosystems. Natural ecosystems provide innumerable services which make human civilization possible. Unfortunately, most people believe these services are provided for free and are therefore valueless and have no direct traditional economic value. We as a community may not pay directly for these ecosystem services, but we do pay significantly for their loss through infrastructure and policy cost. Example, construction and operation of wastewater treatment facilities, increased illness, loss in soil fertility, etc. Life, as well as the economy, is dependent upon goods and services provided by natural ecosystems. One of society's greatest challenges is to maintain natural ecosystems. There are some simple steps which every common person can take to restore our ecosystems and save our environment. These steps are to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Donate used books, clothes, old toys, and other articles to the needy people. Don't waste paper, don't waste water, and don't waste electricity. Grow local plants in your garden. Cycle more, walk more, do carpooling. Avoid extra packaging. Throw your waste properly. Avoid using chemical cleaners, room fresheners, chemical colors, etc., and replace them with natural alternatives. Take care of trees like neem and peepal and try them to plant in your nearby parks or roadsides as they are natural environment cleaners. I end my talk with a famous quote of Dr. Guy McPherson. If you really think that environment is less important than economy, try holding your breath while you count your money. Thank you for watching this video.